People, what's going on? Today we're coming at you from Tudor's Biscuit World in Lexington, Kentucky. Yeah, this is a pretty big chain in the South, started in West Virginia. Many locations there. Let's go ahead and check it out, Jenny.
Yeah.
It's biscuit time. What's up, people? Razzle dazzle. Look at this. We got the Miner. So this is an egg-free concoction for those of you folks who don't like the buck chicken egg. Look at that. So we have bacon, we have hash brown, we have cheese, we have nice fluffy biscuit. This actually nice big sucker. Look at that thing. Love this. Let's go ahead and give that a try. Okay. Biscuit, nice and fluffy. And then we've got that bacon. Just a nice little crunch on there. Hash brown working really good with that, and the cheese brings it all together. It's definitely a big breakfast sandwich with no egg. That's cool. Next up, we have the shaved ham melt. So again, this is an egg-free situation. Big, beautiful biscuit. We've got some ham on there. Look at that. And cheese. So ham and cheese on the biscuit. This is huge. I mean, look at that compared to my hand. That's a nice big size breakfast sandwich. All right, here we go. Oh, look at that gooey cheese. Let's get some of that. Cheers. That ham is nice and salty. With the cheese, it's almost too salty, but woo! This is a good option as well. I think I'd probably take this over the Miner. I mean, the Miner was fun, but yeah, this is where it's at. That's a good breakfast, no egg situation.
All right. Shaved ham. I'm taking a bite of this one. It looks and smells amazing. Like that, we have that ham smell.
Yeah, see if you think that biscuit's got a little crisp on it. That was like our car door handles recessing in, by the way, if you heard that. But how's that biscuit? What you thinking about that ham, that cheese? Give us the deets.
Yeah. So the cheese is nice. It's kind of messy, but it's good. Biscuit does have a nice little crisp, a little grill, a little char.
Yeah.
It's nice.
I kind of thought that on the first one, but
it's super fluffy too. So it is a good biscuit. That ham though, it's really thinly shaved.
Would you say the biscuit slaps?
I would.
Yeah,
I would.
it does.
I guess
Yeah,
I would.
it slaps.
That's a really nice sandwich. It is a little salty, but to be expected. On to the next one.
Lots of napkins. It was messy but good.
This one is the Mary B. So it has bacon, egg, cheese. Bacon, egg, and cheese on there. Some crispy bacon. That's good looking bacon.
I almost hate eggs, but I'm going to still try a bite of that too.
Yeah.
All right, here we go, John.
All right. That was a really good bite. So this is kind of your typical taste of your bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich. The biscuit, though, kind of brings it all together. It's buttery, it's flaky, kind of holds everything in that little pocket of goodness. This, I'd have to say, better than the shaved ham. This one is going to be my fave.
Yeah. Not a fan of the egg, but I'm going to go right in. I'm going to attack that yolk right there. John's like, go over here on the left side. I'm like, no, I got to get that yolk. Oh, an eggy bite. Okay, biscuit didn't really have any crisp on it, but super fluff. Good egg taste. I mean, nothing special on that. The egg, the bacon, and the cheese. I mean, classic biscuit sandwich, breakfast style. It's got that homemade taste and quality to it, though, so I would definitely recommend this over like any other breakfast biscuit place that I have had, which, being from the north, isn't many, but this is amazing. So I would definitely say that you need to try out Tudor World.
Tudor Biscuit World.
You should definitely try out Tudor Biscuit World. This is some slapping breakfast situations. Woo! If you wanted a side or something like that, they got them. But man, you don't need it. Those biscuits are huge. So this is definitely like a side to be shared with the car here. So I'll take a few of these, but look at that. We've got some potatoes smothered in some sausage gravy. So cheers. Hot. It actually is kind of somewhat reminiscent of like Bob Evans gravy, but it's got like just a little bit different taste to it to make it unique. But I like it. The potatoes aren't overly cooked or fried. It goes nice with the sausage gravy. This is a nice side, but again, I don't think you need it unless you're just not planning on eating all day, because those biscuits are huge and delicious.
It smells really, really nice. Again, though, like Pat said, it is a meal just in that sandwich.
Yeah. It was kind of a fail to get that. But it's hey, it's delicious.
We thought we needed to show you guys, especially since we got it.
So I don't think I would get that over the biscuits.
This was pretty decent. It is your standard potato and gravy. Again, I don't think I'd get this again. Just the biscuit sandwich.
Thanks for watching, everybody. We really appreciate it. And until we see you again, keep your nose clean. Bye-bye.